out there today. That's because of some forest fires off across the Pacific Northwest, getting caught up in our flow and heading our direction. Anyway, yeah, even though it's hazy out, it's been pretty warm. We're going to call it hot. I usually don't like to say hot till we hit 90, and it is right there. 92 in Dickinson. Dew points in the 40s, so pretty dry. West-southwest winds at 17 miles per hour, so it's a hair breezy. Dew points right at 50 in Bismarck, Mandan, sitting at 92. Not too long ago, it was 95 degrees and hazy out there. It's hot. It's a hot Friday. Winds generally out of the south today. They are going to slowly switch around here throughout the weekend, and they're definitely going to be noticeable. The winds, that is. It's going to be out of the northwest all weekend long, and it's going to be very windy both Saturday and Sunday. All right, what's happening right now? Well, we've had a low pressure system yesterday and today just kind of tracking across the north. It's been drawing in the heat. Actually, this low is going to kind of develop here off toward our west and then head our direction. It's going to bring a front across the state, which is definitely going to change the temperature. It's going to be much cooler for both Saturday and Sunday as well. All right, had one tiny little rain shower. A lot of that probably not even hitting the ground across the northwest, heading toward Williston area and now kind of tapering off. Maybe some sprinkles there, but better chance as we head here throughout the rest of the weekend. You can see some of that cloud cover across the north. It's been pretty hazy across the central. It's actually kind of hard to pick up here on the visible satellite, but it is out there. I'm sure you noticed that today. It's hot too across the south central. 92 still in Bismarck, like I said. It's 88 down in Hettinger, 90 in Buffalo, 81 in Fargo, 80 in Grand Forks, and even some 70s in Devils Lake. So most of the heat is across the south central, across the southwest, and into parts of South Dakota. But as this front moves across the state throughout the weekend, it's just going to dramatically change those temperatures, and you'll see that here in a few more clicks of my clicker. All right, so this low developing over the area right now heads over the state throughout the night. As it does so, it's going to bring those showers and possibility of some thunderstorms out there. I think mainly some showers though. And tomorrow it's going to be very windy. It's going to be out of the northwest, probably around 20 to 35, maybe 40 miles per hour in some places, especially across the southwest. Those wind gusts will probably be topping off in the 50s at times. It's going to be very windy out there. It's going to be one of those days of if you leave your garbage can out, you'd be wondering where it's at. All right, but there'll be some scattered showers kind of here and there. I think better chance for more rain will be across the north. Some places may pick up over a half inch, maybe 3/4 across the south central. We'll probably be looking at hundredths and tenths, maybe up to a 1/4 inch in some places. But as we head into Sunday, the rain moves out, the wind will stick around, and we'll have some more sunshine to finish out the weekend. Your harvest forecast tomorrow. It might be one to just kind of stick inside and maybe work on some machinery. Anyway, it's going to be windy, some scattered showers for tomorrow. Humidity is going to be high in the morning with some 60s throughout the day. I think we'll be topping out in some 60s tomorrow afternoon. It's going to be very windy. Northwest winds tomorrow on 25 to 45 miles per hour, maybe even higher in some places. So checking out those weather headlines again, the wind advisories for this lighter shaded area covers most of the state. Winds will probably be topping off in the 30s and 40s. Across the southwest, winds will probably be topping off in the 40s, maybe some 50s. It's going to be very windy out there. So lows tonight, dipping down some 50s, some 60s. And around 61 for Bismarck. Showers toward morning will be a possibility. Tomorrow up to 68, cool, cloudy, windy out of the northwest, some scattered showers. Dickinson, kind of a similar situation for tonight. It's going to be just definitely on the cool side for tomorrow. So we dip down into some 60s for tomorrow's highs, some 70s off toward the east. Yes, 60s for highs tomorrow. Today we topped off in the 90s. That is a big, big change. Sunday we tried to warm up, but that's not really going to happen. Some lower 70s only for highs on Sunday. But the good news is, I guess, we finally get some return in the heat category. It just won't be over the weekend. So very windy. It's going to be out of the northwest all weekend long, and especially windy later in the day on Saturday. Keep in mind some showers will be moving across the area tomorrow. Pretty cloudy. As we head into the rest of the forecast, though, temperatures climb around midweek or so. We'll be back up in the 80s. I wouldn't doubt if we have some 90s around midweek or so, around Wednesday or Thursday. Slight chance for maybe some thunderstorms on Wednesday, but yeah, this weekend, maybe not the greatest to be outside. I think maybe some people might be able to surf with those waves on Sakakawea.
Those old winds out of the northwest.
Winds out of the northwest.
Revisit. Yeah, you know, what was it, a month ago or so when we had those big winds, Lake Sakakawea.
Yeah,
really
massive walleye chop.
that was a chop for sure. Thanks, Jared. Still to come on KX News at 6. If you like food, want to